Grain and livestock markets closed mixed to higher Friday. This is the American Ag Network. I'm Corryn with this closing market wrap-up. Grain and oilseed futures finished the week mostly higher, with corn and soybeans both finding support from fresh demand and evolving weather concerns. Corn closed higher after USDA confirmed a flash export sale of 148,240 metric tons to unknown destinations, split almost evenly between old and new crop, reinforcing steady demand. Soybeans also pushed higher, with the market keeping a close eye on weekend weather risks. Over in livestock, futures ended the session lower across the board, though not without some intraday volatility. Lean hogs saw an early sharp sell-off before rebounding on strong wholesale pork values, but ultimately still closed in negative territory. Live cattle and feeder cattle futures initially drew support from firm cash market expectations and technical buying, but those gains faded into the close under pressure from pre-weekend profit-taking. Cash cattle trade remained quiet in the plains, with no new bids from packers and no fresh asking prices from feedlots. While the tone still points to higher trade next week, tightening packer margins are becoming a concern. That pressure could translate into slower slaughter rates and softer demand for fed cattle in the near term. Taking a look at closing numbers, we've got July corn up 5.5 at $4.8025. July soybeans up 7 3/4 at $12.0325. July wheat up a penny at $6.37 3/4. July Kansas City wheat up a penny at $6.94.5. July Minneapolis wheat down 1 3/4 at $7.04. Moving over to the livestock complex, we've got June live cattle down $1 at $2.53. May feeder cattle down $1.25 at $3.7140. May hogs down $62 at $92.82. Thanks for joining me for this closing market wrap-up. I'm Corryn with the American Ag Network.